4 mistakes I wish I had known before I joined YouTube. I'm going to delete this video in the next 24 hours. If in the next 24 hours, if you still find this video, you are very lucky. But you need to just know these 4 mistakes that I had committed, or YouTube had made me committed when I first joined YouTube. So what are these 4 mistakes I'm talking about? Because a lot of people, they just join YouTube without knowing what YouTube entails or what YouTube is all about. When I joined this space, I feel like I'm on top of the world, but YouTube dealt with me. YouTube dealt with me. It shows me a lot of challenges. I faced a lot of problems when I joined this space. So if at the end of 24 hours, YouTube themselves, they didn't flag off this video, you will definitely know that I'm not saying the right thing. If you understand these 4 things, these are 4 key things to a successful YouTuber. So if YouTube, like I said, if YouTube knows that I have known these, there are 4 strategies, definitely they are going to strike this video off from YouTube. So watch this video, share to all new YouTubers, and they will enjoy this video before it went off in the next 24 hours. Number 1 mistake I committed is creating another channel. Yes, this creation of another channel is not a good way of becoming successful in YouTube. A lot of people will say, okay, why do you go ahead to go and create a channel when you have a channel before? At least you put that energy in that channel. You should put that energy that you want to put in this channel, in that channel, to grow that channel to become successful, rather than creating a new channel. It is a very wrong advice. It is a very wrong idea. I receive a lot of comments like this. Is it supposed to be so? Okay, you feel like at least there are a lot of mistakes you've committed in that channel and you've realized the mistake. You should be able to build on that mistakes and make that channel grow. Then why do you have to go ahead and create another channel? Again, you think that you won't repeat same mistakes in this channel? So this is one of the mistakes I think I have made, but it is not still a mistake because YouTube made me do this. They didn't make my videos to go viral, so I had to create another channel. This is one of the mistakes YouTube had actually made me created. Then secondly is consistency. The issue of consistency. If you are not being consistent in your videos, it can actually bring problem to you. If you are not being consistent in what you are doing, definitely you are not going to have a successful result. So you have to be consistent when you are making videos. When you are posting videos, you have to be consistent in what you are doing. Consistency is a recipe for an unsuccessful YouTuber. So if you want to be unsuccessful today, like those ones that are not successful, because I know you'll be successful. As far as you are watching me, you're already successful. So for you not to be successful like those that are unsuccessful, don't be consistent in whatever you are doing. Aside this YouTube space, even in your lifestyle, your activities, your daily routines, don't be consistent about it. Inconsistency kills. Because if you are not being consistent in what you are doing, definitely you are going to yield a poor, negative, bad results. So that is the second mistake I had done in my previous days that I will not want you to commit. Then the third mistake that I had committed before YouTube take off this video is imposter syndrome. You see, I really battled with this imposter syndrome of a thing, and it's still something that a lot of people are still battling with. What do I mean by imposter? Every time I keep talking about imposter syndrome, you know definitely what I'm talking about. There's that video you saved in your draft. Now you think if I post this video now, if you post this video now, it is not going to go viral. I'm betting you now, go ahead and post that video and you will see the result of that video in 24 hours. Most of the time, it is not the video we think it will do well that will actually do well. That is one funny thing and crazy thing about YouTube. Do you understand? Because YouTube, sometimes they don't listen to what we, the poster, thinks, but it is what the audience wants that the algorithm will read. So if you are battling with this imposter syndrome, it is also a hindrance for you not to be successful in this YouTube space. So that imposter syndrome, you need to fight it. You need to fight it. You need to post every video you make. Don't be shy of, don't be out of anxiety or out of fear or out of scariness and you feel like you created video and you are not able to post. Post these damn videos. It is going to go viral. It is going to get views. It is going to get engagement. Imposter syndrome is a disease, so desist from it if you want to be successful like we that have been successful in our YouTube space. Then the last mistakes that I had also committed that I would not also want you to commit is following the algorithms of YouTube. You see, YouTube, if they realize that I was able to know these 4 mistakes that they made me committed or that I committed upon myself that I was unable to make success in my first channel, they will flag us this video because it is going to hinder a lot of people from being successful if you realize these 4 mistakes. Just 4 mistakes. If you know these 4 mistakes, definitely you are going to be successful in your YouTube content creation or in your video creation. What are these 4 mistakes? 1, the issue of creating a new channel because your new channel is not growing well. Then 2, imposter syndrome. Then 3, consistency. And last but not the least is algorithm or following the instructions of YouTube, following YouTube policy or understanding the algorithm of your video. For starting from title, your description, your thumbnails, and what have you. So if you understand these 4 things, these are 4 key things to a successful YouTuber. So if YouTube, like I said, if YouTube knows that I have known these, there are 4 strategies, definitely they are going to strike this video off from YouTube. So watch this video, share to all new YouTubers, and they will enjoy this video before it went off in the next 24 hours. Thank you for engaging in our video. As you all know, this is a Help Me Grow channel. Help me to grow this channel. Let us not fall into the victim of YouTube again. At least YouTube should see us to become successful themselves, not we pleading YouTube to post our videos. Do you understand? So help me grow this channel. How do you help me? Support by liking, subscribe. I'm pleading you. Till we meet again in our next video. Help me grow this video till I meet you in the next video or till this video disappear from your page. Thank you.